Welcome back to my channel. This is Yasmin Sheree, and I am coming to you with the beginning of what will be a series of videos preparing my house for Airbnb. So jumping right into this first one, we are starting in the living room and getting rid of the green paint on the walls and changing this wall here to white. So of course, the first thing that we have to do is kind of clean up, move things out of the way, remove everything off of the walls. These white things here in the wall are supports from the shelves that I had up. A drill bit came out. And of course, when you are painting walls, you want to make sure that the surfaces are completely flat and do not have any holes in the walls. And these particular supports were stripped, so I couldn't get them out with a screwdriver. So I used a drill bit to drill a hole through those to get those completely out. This window here had some water damage. So we had it repaired, but of course the paint here started to chip off. So getting all the extra stuff off the walls. And before you paint, make sure you are covering up your surfaces. We moved everything to the middle of the room so that we would have a clear path around the edges of the room. While I was at Lowe's, I picked up some Dried-X spackling. It comes in pink, and it's a dry indicator, so it goes on pink, but as it dries, it turns white. So that's when you know that it's ready. And I really liked using that. So make sure you go over all the holes in the walls, any paint patches that came up. I added it to the windowsill, up where the curtain rod was. The curtain rod has been moved several times, so there are multiple holes up there on the wall. The green is going. It's time for some blue. What y'all think? So y'all know green is my favorite color, but it had to go. Blue is just gonna be better for the look with the plants. I feel like the green on green with the green wall and the green plants just kind of, the plants got lost in the wall. So this blue should really make the plants pop. Can't wait to see what it looks like. So after the Dried-X is dry and it turns completely white, you want to make sure that you sand it down completely smooth to the wall. Adding more to that corner because I ran out, so I had to go back to the store to get more. Picked up the biggest one that they had this time because we're going around through the whole house, so I'm definitely gonna need more in the near future. Back to this wall while the blue wall is drying again before we can finish those corners. Sanding it down. Now we are taping it, getting it ready to paint. So exciting. We did two to three layers of paint on this wall. We kind of met in the middle and then kept going down. Got the tops, made sure we got back down to the bottoms. That wall is done and it's time to clean up. All right, day 3, back in these corners of the window, trying to make them as smooth as possible. I'm so over it, so dusty, but You want to make sure you get it right the first time so it looks good. Adding our tape before we finish off the paint. All right. Painting is done. I won't make you guys completely watch me clean up and reset up this window, but I will make you wait until part 2 to see the finishing results. So stay tuned. I'm going to hang this curtain and I'll see you in part 2. Thanks for watching.